India has over 400 million informal workers, daily wage earners, gig workers, domestic helpers, and street vendors. That's nearly 90% of the total workforce, yet, less than 10% of them have access to formal retirement plans. Most live hand to mouth with little to no savings, not by choice, but by circumstance. For these workers, saving for the future isn't just difficult, it feels impossible. Irregular income, no financial literacy, no access to structured tools. And when life is lived day by day, retirement becomes an abstract luxury. They move cities, switch jobs, but their financial identity does not follow. Their dreams of financial security fade in the chaos of survival. Meet Ramu, a delivery rider in Delhi. He earns a few hundred rupees a day. He wants to save for his daughter's future but doesn't know where to start. That's where Gullak comes in, a smart micro pension platform designed for people like Ramu. With Gullak, Ramu doesn't have to think. Every time he receives a payment via UPI or SMS alert, a small amount, as little as 10 rupees, is automatically saved. Effortless, invisible, and powerful. These tiny savings over time snowball into a pension fund, secure, portable, and fully transparent. Dashboard, your financial mirror. Here's your dashboard. You can see total balance, total savings, monthly savings, and savings rate. It's your full financial picture at a glance. Monthly summary. Finance made visual. Scroll down and check out our summary section. Your savings for the last month shown in a clean, colorful chart. Visual, intuitive, no complex spreadsheets, just the truth, beautifully shown. Transactions. Your money moves. Next is your transaction history. Every micro contribution you've made, logged and listed. Want to save rupees 50 today? Just one click. We've integrated with Razorpay so payments are as smooth as silk. Analytics and visual charts. See the bigger picture. Here's the fun part, our analytics view. See your yearly trends, monthly patterns, daily growth, all in vibrant graphs. Understand your savings journey like never before. Forecast. Plan for tomorrow, today. Got a dream? A goal? Input your goal amount. We'll tell you exactly how much to save daily. Or input your daily savings and we'll project how much you'll have in 1, 3, or 5 years. Want to plan short term, medium term, long term? Use our filters and get tailored. Your profile, your digital finance identity. Finally, your profile section, your login, preferences, saving behavior, all in one place. Access your Gullak anytime, anywhere.